Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 28-day free English course on English.humanityuapd.com. Today is day 13, and in this lesson, you will learn past tense for beginners in a very simple and easy way. By the end of this video, you will know how to talk about actions that already happened in the past. Past tense is used to describe finished actions in the past. For example, I visited my friend yesterday. She played football last week. Past tense helps us tell stories, share experiences, and describe past events clearly. There are four main types of past tense in English. 1. Simple past, a completed action. Example, I walked to school. 2. Past continuous, an action happening at a specific time in the past. Example, I was reading when he called. 3. Past perfect, one past action finished before another. Example, I had finished my homework before dinner. 4. Past perfect continuous, shows duration before another past action. Example, she had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. Regular verbs, ed, play, chokis, played walk, tikonchan, walked. Irregular verbs, amas, change form go, went see if Irregular verbs must be learned and practiced. Incorrect, I have visited Paris last year. Correct, I visited Paris last year. Also remember to use the correct irregular verb forms and keep the same tense in a sentence or story. To improve quickly, try this every day. Write about what you did yesterday. Tell a short past story. Talk about a movie or trip. Practice speaking English daily. Regular practice makes English easy and natural. That's all for day 13. Past tense for beginners. For more free English lessons, visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue the 28-day journey to fluent English. See you in day 14.